Hello guys, good morning. First of all, I'll say Happy New Year. Happy New Year. This year is going to bless us abundantly. All our prayers, all our heart desires shall be granted. Amen. As in this year, I life update. This year I didn't start it on a very good note. As you all know from my previous videos, you see, you notice I lost my dad, and you know when you lose a loved one, you know how it is. And being the eldest child, I have to do a lot of running around. I couldn't leave it for my mom and my sister, so in a previous vlog you see I went to the village, I came back. That was last year, October, November. And by December of last year, my uncle said we need to fix my dad's date. So they we decide on 25th of January. So I had to prepare myself. 24th and 25th of January was my dad's burial, and I have to travel to the village again. I traveled on the 5th. I couldn't film anything, as in it was so chaotic. It was not the best, as in I was stressed. Like, I was just trying to be strong for my mom. And if I'm feeling down, definitely she'll feel down too. So I just have to feel good for her. So we traveled to the village and we did the burial. It was stressful. I stayed in the village for 2 weeks. I just came back on Wednesday. I'll put the dates in the screen, or be on the screen when I returned. And since then, even when I was in village, I asked my sisters if there's light, and she said the light was spoiled. I was thinking before I get back to Lagos, I would have fixed the they would have fixed the light issue. I got back, the light issue was still there, and I've planned out a lot of content I want to film for this year, but this whole thing is just taking me backwards. Like, I'm just trying my best not to let it get to me, because I have videos I need to film with light, but they're not talking about anything. That's my problem. They're not even saying anything concerning the light. So I just got tired. I just have to whip up my phone today and do this live update. And I'll be going to the bank today. Since I came back, I've been facing through a lot, even from Nigeria as a whole. First of all, the new currency and the old currency issue. Like, if you're not in Nigeria, our old currency was redesigned. I'll put the date. So to get the old currency, you have to pay in your new. To get the new currency, you have to pay in the old currency. Now, if you pay in your old currency, these people won't give you the new currency. Like, the whole thing is just giving me a headache. Today's date is Thursday, February 9th of February 2023. And guys, Happy New Year. If I've not said it before, Happy New Year. So I've been going to the bank since on Monday to get this new naira note. Like, you have money, you can't use your money. This is a serious problem in Nigeria right now. So guys, I've been going to the bank since on Monday to get the new currency, and it's not possible. And today is Thursday night though, and this morning I want to go to the bank to see if I can get this money, because right now I don't have cash on me. I don't have cash on me. I want to give my mom some money, so I don't have cash on me. Just don't know what to say. But I just came in here to say hi, to start the vlog, and to film something. At least, even if there's no light, I should just be doing a vlog. Anyhow, I'll just update you about what I get to in a day, in a week. That is the best I can do. I just don't want to leave my channels without anything. I don't want it to be stranded, empty. Don't know if you understand, but that is it. So I hope I'm making sense. I hope I'm looking towards this side when I'm supposed to look here. Please forgive me. And I didn't even introduce myself. My name is Donna. I am a YouTuber based in Lagos. I upload videos on personal development, vlogs, and lifestyle. I'm a business person. I own a hair business, a whole hair brand. So most times I film about myself, about recipes I try, just normal content about my lifestyle. So please, I would like you to subscribe and stay tuned, stay glued to this channel, okay? And give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. Okay, thank you very much. So guys, let me just go and prepare and go to the bank and know what I'm doing with myself this today, because this week will not just finish. I will not have any money on me. So let me go to the bank. Let me prepare and go to the bank. You know my name is Bank. Every small thing I'm going to the bank. So let me prepare and go to the bank and see what is going on. So guys, I welcome you guys to 2023. Please, I want to thank all of you. Like, I have new subscribers. Like, you guys, thank you. I don't even know what to say, but you guys are all welcome to my channel, and I'll be coming my from my how to open a domiciliary account. That video has been gaining a lot of traction. Hey, I didn't even know people like all this kind of content. I don't know what to film. So just welcome guys. See the face, see my face. I would love to meet you guys in the comment section. Okay. So guys, stay safe out there, and I love you guys. Bye. Hello. I don't know how to look. I'm supposed to look here, but let me try my best. Hello guys. Good morning. Good morning guys. Happy Valentine. So you guys said I've run away. I didn't go anywhere. I didn't go anywhere, my people. A lot is happening. The last clip you watched was when I was complaining and saying I want to prepare and go to the bank. That bank, I didn't go. I was at home. I called somebody and the person said that there was no money. The banks aren't working. So I have to sit my ass down. So I went to look for money. I got some money. But right now, let me just tell you what is happening. I'm prepared, as you can see, and I'm going to the market. Going to the market, I have orders on Valentine's Day. Yeah. So I have two orders. So I'm going to the market to get the hairs ready, to sew them and package them and send it out to my customers. So guys, happy new year once again, and happy Valentine once again. This is the period to spread love, say love, and make everyone around you happy. Sorry, I'm filming with my phone. That's why it's coming closer here, and that's why I'm looking here. So I've not introduced myself and I'm blabbing. I am Donna. I am a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I upload videos on personal development, vlogs, and lifestyle. You can see. But right now, if you have not subscribed, If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Okay, please leave a comment. Happy Valentine. I want to go to the market. That's why I'm dressed like this. I said let me introduce the vlog and say hi to my people. Bye guys. I want to even film for TikTok, so let me start filming for TikTok. When I'm ready, you will see when I'm ready. I want to do get ready with me to go to the market. You guys are the first people that will hear this. I want to prepare to the market, so I want to film for TikTok and do get ready with me as I shop, as I go to the market on Valentine's Day to send out orders or to buy hairs for my customers. I don't know what I'll just say, but let's just watch and see. Okay, I'll put the clip when I'm done. Let's start editing everything now. Bye bye, guys. So guys, I just finished shooting for TikTok and I'm ready. You see the get ready with me, of course. So guys, my people, follow me prepare for what I did on Valentine's Day. Okay, so I brushed my hair and look at this hair, look at this gorgeous blend. Oh my god, I packed it together to look like human being. So I am preparing to pack my bags, my watch, my bangle and my cross. It's very needed. Then I go in with my lip balm, my perfumes. Oh my god, these perfumes together, I'm dancing already. Tie scarf or not, no scarf. Okay, very necessary gadgets: your eyeglass, hanky and bag, and money. Look at me in face. Look at this new naira note now. Wow. And ATM. All these will take you to the market safe and sound. All my mates are in their boyfriend hands preparing for Valentine. Me, because I like money, I'm going to the market. Bye guys, let me head to the market. Okay, I'll shoot a recipe today. I'm going to prepare something, so I'm going to shoot it. I don't know what I'll prepare, but let's see. Whatever I feel like, I'll make. Okay, when I return from the market, let's go. Hello guys, you can see I'm just coming back now and I want to start cooking. I have everything ready. I bought everything as I was coming back from the market. Hope you can hear me. I am so tired. I just changed out my wig to this scarf. Now I want to start cooking now and see if I can eat and rest. I have to arrange the orders for my customer. Okay. And I still want to film for TikTok and I still want to film a recipe. This content creation thing is not easy, but let me just get to it before I start blabbing. So guys, these are my ingredients and I'm ready to start cooking. So let me introduce you to them. So this is my peppered beef. So I've cooked this already, but I'm going to fry it. Then these are sausages. Then this is my eggs, 3 eggs. Then fresh pepper. This is fresh pepper, fresh garlic, and fresh ginger. I blended this together. Then I have my fresh onion. I have my peas, my green pepper, and carrots. Okay, this rosemary and masala curry and nutmeg. Then I'll be using oyster sauce, light soy sauce, and seasonings. Okay, so guys, let's start cooking.